Alrighty. Been a while. I've been out of town. So this is my $6,000 driveway. It is crazy it's this much money. So the house, the driveway. I had a couple of options here. If I would have designed this all over again, I would not have put the driveway in the dead middle of the property. I would have probably had them do the driveway over here and then had it run in like that to give you more of a front yard. But I like it. It looks good. So here it is. So this is recycled asphalt. It is full of the material. It was about $4,000 for this material. I forget how many tons it was. It was a lot. So I will try to add some videos on. So this is all scraped here. They scraped all of this. I could have went. It's kind of funny. My dad just said he preferred the white rocks over the black. I could have went with a white stone, but my thinking was white. The skirting's going to be white, and then white rocks. I was thinking too much. So yeah, there's a cheaper ways you can do them. You can just have somebody come in and lay them down, and when you do that, the grass is going to grow up and the edge will eventually just get so distorted. This edge should stay perfect like this because this is dug out. Let's walk up here. I made this for 2 cars. This is 16 by 8, a little parking way here. So ideally, pull up next to the house. Boom, boom. Put 6x6s in the ground. Each one of these are $50. Crazy. I've seen some people go with railroad ties. Some people go with nothing. I like the way this looks. Then we have the walkway. I didn't know exactly how to do the walkway, so it's kind of a learning experience, but this is the walkway. So you have your walkway into the house. These are 4x4s. These are, I think they're $15 a piece. And all this is a little bit loose now, but once the sun bakes it, it's going to become very hard, and it's just going to be a good walkway to keep you out of the grass, keep your lawn perfect. This is it. This place is really close to being done. We have the power, we have the skirting, the AC's got to get hooked up, and one electrical line's got to be ran, and that's it. One thing I have not thought about on my projects is it's summertime. The grass is going to grow. So that kind of sucks. I'm going to have to be doing the lawn work. I could pay somebody to do it, but then that is literally taking money right out of my pocket, so I will do it. I still got to finish painting that shed and twisting it a little bit, and that's it. This is the first time I've ever seen this. This is the meter box, but this is steel, metal one, and I've never seen these. Usually it's the wood ones. I like the way this looks. You see the underground. If I didn't pay that $1,000, they would have ran the power pole from there to here, and then you would have had that big power line, and I just did not like the way that looked at all. Just did not like it. So when they dug up the driveway, he put a lot of that grass here, and a very short time this is going to grow up. You won't even be able to tell it. I think I showed this in the last video. You have your electrical line that's ran. That is that gray 2.5-inch pipe. You have your septic. This is collapsing here. This is going to have to fill this in. Every septic I've ever seen does the same thing. It collapses around. Trash. That's not good. And this is the water line. Boom. This place is almost done. Almost done. I've already got offers on this place, but I'm not sure I'm going to take them. Because to me, in my area, this is the best land home package in the area. It's the best lot. It's like, it's really nice. So I'm probably going to stick for $300,000 on this. Like, I'm going to have 210 in it. So I want my $300,000. This place, realistically, I could see this place selling for $310, $315 if the right person wanted this place. Like, this is going to be a beautiful forever home. Beautiful neighborhood. This place is awesome. Great house. Like, I am very happy with how this place turned out. Very happy. This week's going to be a busy week for me. Over here, I got to finish painting that shed. I have to start back remodeling on my houses. I've got a lot of stuff to do. A lot of stuff to do. My trip slowed me down, but I am back on it, people. Like and subscribe. Subscribe. Only 5% of the people who watches my videos have subscribed. So please subscribe. Thank you.